Hi, welcome to TalkToCanadians.com. So I'm here standing at Varsity Stadium, and we're about to have a game between U of T and Ryerson. And then behind the scene, there are scientific experiments taking place, and one from University of Toronto Physics Department, and then the other Pueblo Science, which I'm going to feature. So I'm going to interview some people, and then you also can see some scientific experiment here, and also like possibly we can have some interviews with parents as well as kids. So far I'm here at Varsity Stadium, and my name is Luke. Now I'm standing with the president of Pueblo Science. Without further ado, I'm going to ask her to tell about herself. So please tell me about yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Mayrose Salvador. I'm a chemist. I have a PhD in chemistry, and I basically started this Pueblo Science together with a faculty at the University of Toronto, Department of Chemistry, Professor Cynthia Go.
Okay, that's good. So please tell me about how you started off this project, Pueblo Science.
So it was actually a brainchild of Professor Cynthia Go. So she's been going to the Philippines for the past 4 years, just doing some science outreach there, and she realized that even from her time to up to this time, nothing has changed in terms of how the science is being taught over there. It's still very much on a theoretical point of view. So she started going there 4 years ago, and in 2010 she told us about this project, and that's how I came aboard, because I believe in the cause, and I'm also educated from there, and I know what the situation is like, and that's how we basically started. And we just basically gathered a couple of people around us who are scientists at the University of Toronto as well, and just joined forces and incorporated it so we can do our cause.
Okay, and who are the members? Those people who are actually working for this non-profit organization, Pueblo Science, and who are those members?
Like I mentioned a while ago, it's a lot of scientists. So most of them are actually graduate students from the University of Toronto. Some are faculty, and the alumni who are from the University of Toronto are in different universities North America. We also have some members from Germany, Singapore, and the Philippines as well.
And what is the biggest challenge as a person who's running this, Pueblo Science as a president?
There's actually a couple, because we're still a startup, so we're 2 years, and the biggest right now, I guess, is looking for funding, as everyone else. And the others is I came from a lab, and managing a company we were never taught that way, so it's a little bit of a challenge, and just getting all the just managing people and doing your taxes, so you have everything, your records, and recruitment is also becoming a bit of a challenge these days, because the more we grow, the more we need more volunteers for us to expand our activities. So
okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about today's event?
So this is we were invited by the Varsity to come and provide the educational component of the TDSP hockey game. And it's actually quite fun, because we're able to showcase some of our science kits and science activities, and all of us are very passionate about imparting our knowledge with the younger generation, and I think a lot of the kids were having fun here today as well.
Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm having fun.
Yeah, good, thank you.
All right, the last question. So out of those viewers who are watching this show, what if they want to help you? What if they want to help Pueblo Science financially, or they want to volunteer? Maybe someone like they're a scientist and they want to actually volunteer to help you guys to get some more workforce. And then how can they do it? The process. Can you explain?
Yeah. So basically, first thing you have to do is go to our website at http://puebloscience.org, so you can find our contact. Email us. Give us basically send us your resume if you want to volunteer for us, and we will be contacting you via email or by phone as well. If you want to donate to our cause, we also have online. There's a donate button over there, so you can do that, or you can give us an email or call us, and then we can set it up by transferring to our bank counts.
Okay, thank you for your time, and you did a really great job. So far I was with Melos, okay? So I'm gonna come back to you guys with more people from Pueblo Science.
You can think about it like a board that has many holes, and when light hits the holes, it breaks into a different pattern. So by changing the location of the holes, you can get different patterns.
Okay. So location changes the shape. Makes
Yeah.
sense, right? How you hold that kind of little thing, right? How you hold it.
So you see the laser pointer?
Yeah.
It has on the front of it. There's a rotating
Can you
piece.
just feature this one? I'll show you about that. Just go and feature. Yeah, maybe. Okay.
And then you see as they rotate it,
Okay.
they change the pattern that the light goes through it.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Well, my favorite sport is baseball, and I like a lot of sports. I'm a pretty athletic guy, but yeah, I like playing sports with my friends and stuff, and I play baseball, and I used to play soccer. So yeah, I'm pretty athletic. And
So what do you think about the science education here in Canada? Do you think we can make it better in terms of science education for our future kids?
I think science is really important. Basically, if kids are good at school, it just broadens their mind, it broadens their horizons, it gets their creativity levels up. And I think having a good education in science can actually carry them through life. Having a sports background, I think, is really important because the more athletic you are, the more it just opens up your mind, clears your mind, and especially gets you to be good in school.
Okay.
It's really important. That's why I think this kind of a program is just great.
Okay, that's awesome.
science is good. And stay in school, okay? And you should be athletic as well. Thank you.
All right, Jesse, thank you for your time. I really appreciate your time, and enjoy the hockey game. Okay, it's about to start. All right, thank you. Thank you, Irene.